Welcome back. In today's video, I'll show you how to create SEO-friendly blog posts using Jasper AI and Surfer SEO. To begin, open Jasper and choose the blog post workflow. Enter your primary keyword and specify your target audience. Within seconds, Jasper will generate a structured draft, including an introduction, headings, and full article content. Once your draft is ready, move over to Surfer SEO to fine-tune it. Surfer helps you optimize your content based on SEO best practices, making it more likely to rank well on search engines. After optimizing, copy your article into WordPress and save it as a draft. From there, you can review, make edits, and schedule it for publishing whenever you're ready. And that's it. This method is one of the quickest ways to produce high-quality blog content at scale using AI. Stay tuned for the next video, where we'll dive deeper into fully optimizing your blog for better rankings. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.